Are you done? Finish your milk, anak. Meron pa nga eh. Okay. Kon, tulungan mo, tulungan mo. Let's take a grab. Let's take a grab. It's not that far, right?
Okay.
Let's take a grab. Then from there, we can take a... Kuya, magkano yung track dito? Steakhouse lang. Sige po.
Okay.
Nandito kami sa Abbey Buffet. Mukhang wala namang tao. Walang tao. Walang bakante, ang daming tao. Yung magda-diet tayo, tapos dinala ko dito. Ano ba yan? Paano tayo aayaw sa pagkain na to? Buffet yung pinuntahan natin, anak. Si daddy mo talaga, supportive masyado sa diet ko. Yung tipo na tayo ng ng 1 week, nakaraos na tayo. Ang bihira, oh. Kakaloka tayo, anak. Hindi ko alam kung kinuha na ni Tita Shi mo eh. Ang tagal pa namin mag-antay pala. Dapat pala pumunta dito, may booking ka. Kasi pag ganito ka lang pupunta, may walk-in lang. Ang hirap mo ng... Masarap kaya dito? How's the rate in this restaurant, babe?
800.
800? Do you know how much per head?
800 per head.
800 per head. Oh, I thought...
Sorry, 799. Yeah, 800 and 900.
Mom said 1K.
No, 800.
Are you sure? Because I'm not sure if this is the place that Michelle and her cousin went to. And she said it's 1K per head.
Probably they must have gone on a weekend.
What is today?
It's a weekday.
Oh.
Weekend it is 900.
Maybe, yeah, I think this is the one. This is the place. Isa yung Nak, I'm so hungry. But I'm on diet. Kay Jowa dito, pwede naman dito. Oh, parang bahay kubo style. But ayaw niya dito. Gusto niyang special. Oh, what's that? Is that flower, anak? Let's find something else here. Yeah. Wal, pasok na daw, Wal. Okay. Okay, let's go inside now. Pasok na kami.
It's going there, they charge twice.
Why?
500.
Really? Wala pa yung happy birthday? Oh. Sing a song, Yana? Oh, it's the birthday, anak. Waiting pa lang kami sa aming mga number.
Sige po.
Waiting pa yung mga tao sa kanilang number. Pero yung iba kumakain na, syempre. Susunod na kami niyan sa loob. Ay, anak.
Resi or Resi?
Oh, give to ate, come on. Wow, sweet. Say thank you. Thank you. Anak, not for you, okay? Okay. That's enough, that's enough. Thank you. Oh, give daddy, give daddy. Give daddy. Now she won't stop. Now she won't stop. Oh, ate. The waitress. Thank you for the contemporary. Ah, anak, no, not for you. Not for you, anak. Kasi, not for you, anak. Okay, just lick it. Give to ate, give to ate. Give it to ate. Come on, give to ate, give to ate. Come on. Ate, ate. Ay, anak. Just lick it. Just lick it.
Ano name?
Can you sing a song? Ayana, can you sing a song? It's happy birthday.
Tina. Next is Arlene.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? It's happy birthday. This is so funny. Okay, excuse me po. Thank you. You hear anak? Okay. You go get some food first. No, I'll grab mine. Grab yours. Pumila ka na doon. Nahiya pa siya eh. Ayan, what is that one? Nandito pala kami sa Abi Buffet, International Cuisine. Oh, ano ba tawag nito? Parang Abi Cuisine International, something like that. Daming tao, anak. What are we going to have, anak? Oh, I want sashimi. I can see it from the other side. You want fruits? Mama will give you fruits. I think there's so many foods right there. I can see it. Nakalimutan ko yung aking tawag nito. Stand phone, stand cellphone. Kaya ganyan tayo. Excited na ako kumain kung anong mayroon dito. Okay, thank you, Dada. Ayan, can you say thank you, Dada? Thank you for taking us here. Anak, what have you done here? Kuya, we're gonna take that off later, anak. We need it. Huh? Kuya will need to say hi. Say hi, ate. Hi, ate. Thank you po. That's okay, don't give it to ate. You have to keep it, anak. Kasi bitaw kumain, anak. Masarap yung pagkain nila dito. Masarap kaya. Hi. Tingin lang kami ng mga pagkain kung anong mayroon dito. Sira talaga yung diet natin, anak. So we have bread here. You want this one, anak? You want bread? And Italian pasta. Yummy. Yummy. Oh, they have pizza. Pizza. Chicken joy. All the biscuit. There you go. Anak. Chicken. Oh, I want this one, anak. This one I like. And what We have here. Let's take a look. Wow, we have here fresh salmon. Wow. Let's go on the other side. We are here. Okay, Chinese. We have lechon. Okay, lechon. Wow. Looks so good. Oh, mayroon silang ano bang tawag dyan sa Pampangan? Hi. What about here? Wine? Wine, we have juice. We have siomai. Siomai anak. Wow. Okay, sira yung diet natin. So we have these noodles.
Wait, ma'am. Do you ma'am?
Lulutuin pa. Here. Lahat. Oh, yung ano. Oh, no, no, no. Chocolate, cookies, steak. Oh, you want steak? Oh, anak. Do you like this? You wanna try this one, anak? Wanna try this? No, you have to use this one, anak. Careful. Palubat na ako. Ano ba yan? Kaya niyan.
In 1 minute, ubos na ito lahat.
Damihan ng pagkain mo. That's my food. That's our food. Si Jowa walang kanin. Diet daw siya. Basta ako, nasira na yung diet ko. Kain tayo.
Ay, mapatry ka. Nangingin na doon, nangingin ka tali na. Isa na.
No spices. Because I don't like.
Yeah. Okay.
Hala.
You're not given us this fork. Go there, take this. Take this. Give me a fork. Give me a fork.
Huh? Here's one more.
This one? Very good. Very good. Yeah.
Kunti na lang yung mga tao, mga siya, sumuwi na. May mga natira pa naman dito sa paligid namin. Pero, the rest, uwi na kasi closing time na. Anyway, kung i-rate ko tong yung restaurant na to, 8 out of 10. Kasi lahat makukuha mo dito. Bye! Go up! Say thank you, Abi Buffet. Where's Dada? Let's go. Anak. Anak, let's go home na. They're going to close the restaurant, anak. Uy, nakakita kasi ng mga bata eh.
I got the car.
You got the card? Okay, let's. Okay. Yeah, okay. Let's go. Mga shots, busog na kami. Thank you, Abi Buffet. International Cuisine. Busog na kami. Daming food.